Feel the wind rush past and the ground shake beneath as you push your UTV to its limits. For enthusiasts, it's not just about the ride, it's about the sheer velocity. But how do you transform your UTV into a speed demon without compromising on safety and efficiency? Let's dive into the world of UTV performance enhancement. First up, let's talk about breathing. Engine breathing, that is. A high-performance air filter paired with an advanced intake system can work wonders for your UTV's engine, allowing it to inhale more air and exhale with ease. This simple upgrade to your air intake and exhaust systems can lead to a more powerful and efficient ride. Next, consider the brains of the operation, the electronic control unit, or ECU. By installing a performance chip, you recalibrate your UTV's ECU, unlocking extra horsepower and velocity. Remember, this is a job for the pros, so consult with a specialist to avoid any mishaps. Tires are where rubber meets the road, literally. High-speed, low-resistance tires are designed to slice through the air, reducing drag and boosting speed. But don't forget to match your tires to your terrain and riding style for the best results in both performance and longevity. Underestimating regular maintenance is like ignoring the fuel in your tank. It's essential. Routine oil changes, clean air filters, fresh spark plugs, and proper tire pressure are the unsung heroes of speed. It's a continuous dedication to your UTV's well-being that pays off in performance. Lastly, consider going on a weight reduction regimen. Every extra pound can hold back your UTV's potential. By shedding unnecessary items and opting for lighter parts, you not only gain speed but also improve fuel efficiency. It's the little tweaks that lead to big thrills. In the quest for speed, it's the combination of these strategic enhancements that will see your UTV leaving the competition in a cloud of dust. Strap in and prepare for a ride that's faster, fiercer, and more exhilarating than ever before.